Sonali Gupta and I'm right here live at the Krisumi Sales Lounge. It's an honor for me to welcome you all to the premiere of the 360-degree immersive experience for the Krisumi Waterfall Residences Show Apartment. As you all know, Krisumi is a joint venture between Sumitomo Corporation Japan and Krishna Group. Has changed everything, from the way we connect to the way we engage, to the way we work, and most importantly, where we spend most of our times. During COVID, we've realized the importance of having our own home, an area we can call our own safe zone, a comfort area. But tell me, in these times, how safe is it to step out and look for your own house? Well, Krisumi has a solution to that. We've always believed in being on forefront of technology. So Krisumi brings to you a 360-degree immersive walkthrough where, at the comfort and ease of your own house, you can go and take a complete tour of our show apartments. So without wasting any more time, let me invite Mr. Ashok Kapoor, the chairman, Krishna Group and Krisumi Corporation. He will be joining us online.
Good evening, everybody. A very, very warm welcome as a member of Krisumi family. Because in our philosophy, everybody who deals with us is a part of the family. I can assure you, you will have an experience of your life. I think, as I always say, with Hanumanji's blessing, you try to take right decisions. You know, when the auto industry was changing in this country, 30 years ago, when Maruti entered, I wanted to take the right decision and I entered the auto industry. The rest is history. You all know how the auto industry has done. After 27 years, I again thought that I should at least try to take the right decision. And I still feel very confidently that I took the right decision to enter the real estate industry. Why? Because of two main reasons. I had Sumitomo Corporation of Japan as my partner, and at that time, trust, belief, confidence, quality had all vanished from the market. So I very strongly felt that if we enter the market at this time with the Japanese philosophies and culture, we can't go wrong. Both of us as partners had a vision of work ethics and standards that we wanted to create for the real estate market. One of the important decisions I took before even entering with Sumitomo, I have association with Japan for 30 years. And it's a totally different country in this world. The discipline, the time management, the quality, the commitment, all these are absolutely something that every person in life craves for. So here was a partnership which believed in the same ethics, morals, whatever you may look at in life. Sumitomo, of course, is a global giant, as you all know. They have done more than 300 projects globally. And each project speaks for quality and delivery. So, what does a person look at? Of course, cost is important. But as I said to you earlier, I don't want to speak for my product, for our product. I believe in seeing. I would like you to go through this experience and then decide for yourself. In Krishna Group, we have always believed in the best quality. We believe in customer is God. We believe in the commitment of delivery is a must. And ultimately, we believe in one thing, which I mentioned just earlier, customer is God. Therefore, whatever customer needs and whatever we can commit, we must honor. And let me tell you, we assure you, whatever we say, we will mean. And we will never let you down. Please come and look at what Kusumi is doing. Please come and look what we can offer. I am just leaving you with these thoughts in your mind. Then our product should speak for yourself. But I can tell you, you cannot see. It's not because it is ours. I think it is the finest product you can see in the market. Not only value for money, but the Japanese environment that we have created. And our brief to the architect Nikken Seki, who is one of the world's largest architects, I told them I am in love with Japan, coming to Japan for the last 30 years. Please create a mini Japanese city, which will be totally different to what people have seen. So finally, once again, my humble request to invite you to please come to Kusumi Sales Lounge. God bless you all and thank you for being with us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapoor, for sharing your vision with us. It's now time for us to invite Mr. Takahiro Yamazaki, Co-CEO and Director, Kusumi Corporation, to talk about Sumitomo Edge of Quality and Sharp Eye Supervision.
Good evening, everyone. I am Takahiro Yamazaki, working for Kusumi Corporation as Co-CEO and Director. So I would like to introduce Sumitomo Corporation for all of you. So Sumitomo Corporation is a very reputed name in business, and they have successfully delivered more than 300 projects all over the world. And meanwhile, the Indian consumer today has a global exposure all over the world, so they know the global standard product. Then Sumitomo Corporation, expertise of Sumitomo Corporation is very good for all of Indian people. We can provide the best quality product for Indian peoples. For example, we brought one of the largest design firm in Japan, Nikken Seki, on board. And they provided us entire 65 acres master plan that's already there. And also for construction site, we provide some detailed techniques, something like piping structure, waterproofing, and glazing structure, etc. Those kind of things are also incorporated in this project. I'm sure this kind of detailed design and techniques will help that this project will make that world-class product. And I'm sure our project will become one of the best product in Japan, in India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Yamazaki. Now may I request Mr. Akash Khurana, the CEO, Krisumi Corporation, to please share his insights with us.
Thank you, Sonali, and a very, very warm welcome to everyone who's joined us today for this webinar. We are extremely excited to showcase you the immersive 360-degree walkthrough platform that we've created. Essentially, at Krisumi, we've always been at the forefront of technology and of product advancement, and this is something which I'm guessing will become more and more apparent as we go through today's program. A little while earlier, we heard Mr. Kapoor and Yamazaki-san talk about our product at Krisumi. I would just like to add another dimension to the ideas they shared earlier. So essentially, when we were starting out with Krisumi, we said that let's follow a pattern where let's identify the problems that plague the real estate market in India today, and let's address those. So after very deep research, we found there were two large issues that people in the market were facing. One, there was very little credibility left with most developers here in India. That is something which we believe we've comprehensively addressed with the kind of partners who've come together at Krisumi and the kind of steps we've undertaken. The second large problem that we saw in the Indian real estate market, very particular to the Gurgaon market and North Indian market, was that typically the problem that people were facing is what they liked they could not afford, and what they could afford they did not like. So how we've gone about our entire planning, and of course we have Kimura-san also here with us today, and he'll be talking about the design aspects in more detail. But when we started with the planning, we said that let's provide the kind of aesthetic sense and the environment that people crave for. Traditionally in India, luxury was always associated with size of the apartment or the ticket price of the apartment. What we are doing here at Krisumi is we're changing that all around. We're turning it on its head. And you will see, and when we go through the walkthrough and when we talk about the specifications and amenities we are providing, what we are doing is we're providing the best-in-class living environment to people in a ticket size which is more palatable for everyone. And whilst you'll be seeing all of this through this program today, we would also be very happy to have you here with us eventually to come to our sales lounge and have a look at the sample apartment in person and have a look at the pace of construction that is visible when you're here. And that will give you even more confidence. So at the end, I'd only like to reiterate that at Krisumi, our core belief is quality, its attention to detail, and its product enhancement to make sure that all requirements of all our clients are comprehensively met. That's all I'd like to say. Over to you, Sonali.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akash. Now may I request Mr. Masakazu Kimura from Nikken Sekkei to please highlight the sense of Japanese style in waterfall residences.
こんにちは、木村です。私は、日建設計のグローバルデザインの統括であり、このプロジェクトのプリンシパルアーキテクトでもあります。
Good evening. This is Kimura. I am a head of global design in Nikken Sekkei and also a principal architect of this project.
ご存知のように、日建設計は、世界をリードする建築およびマスタープランニング企業の一つであり、世界の中で10年以上にわたって一貫してトップ3企業にランクされております。
As you may be aware, Nikken Sekkei is one of the world's leading architecture and master planning company and has been consistently ranking in top 3 firms over past decade.
このプロジェクトは、2015年にマスタープランの構想から始まりました。日本ではプロジェクトを成功させるには全体から部分へと、部分から全体への統合が一貫して必要であると考えております。
Our journey with this project started in 2015 with the conception of master plan. In Japan, we strongly believe that a successful project needs whole to part and pole to whole integration in a consistent manner.
ウォーターホールレジデンスの建築、ランドスケープ、インテリアを概念化する一方で、家に付属するインド文化に住む感情、コミュニティを融合させ、日本のシンプルさと最前線のデザインで統合させようとしました。
While conceptualizing the architecture, landscape, and interiors of Waterfall Residence, we have tried to blend the emotions, sentiments, and community living in Indian culture attached with the home and integrated it with Japanese simplicity and foremost design.
生き、禅などの日本の伝統的なデザインコンセプトとものづくりという製品作りの原則を組み合わせて、全体的なデザインの調和を図りつつ、モダンな雰囲気を作っています。
We have tried to combine the principles of traditional Japanese design concepts like Ikki, Zen, and product making, that is Monozukuri, to create a unified design language, helping to create a unique identity with an overall design harmony and with a very modern feeling.
数十年の経験を生かし、メイドインジャパンのタグにふさわしい製品を作るなど、細部にまで細かく気を使っております。
A lot of attention has been paid towards the detailing, utilizing the several decades of experience and making a product worthy of the tag Made in Japan.
ウォーターホールレジデンスを要約すると、現代の日本の一部を切り取っておりますが、現時点のインド人の要求とも一致していると考えております。
To summarize, Waterfall Residence is a piece of modern day Japan, but in alignment with Indian requirements at the moment.
提聴ありがとうございました。
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kimura. With this, may I request Mr. Vineet Nanda, the Director, Sales and Marketing, Crisumi Corporation, to please say a few words.
दोस्तों, मैं आप सबका इस क्रिसूमी के वेबिनार में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। ये रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में आप सबकी बढ़ चढ़ के पार्टिसिपेशन से रियल एस्टेट का सबसे बड़ा वेबिनार डिक्लेयर हुआ है। 5000 रजिस्ट्रेशंस हमें आप सबसे मिली हैं। दोस्तों, रियल एस्टेट मार्केट, पर्टिकुलरली रेजिडेंशियल की मार्केट, मैंने अपने 15 साल के रियल एस्टेट के करियर में 10,000 घर बेचे हैं और कस्टमर साइकोलॉजी को बहुत ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व किया है और करता हूं और रोज आप लोगों से सीखता हूं। कोविड युग, जिसको मैं एक बहुत पॉजिटिव युग मानता हूं, क्योंकि इस युग में जो चेंजेस आए हैं शायद ये 10 साल बाद आते। टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस, जो कस्टमर का आपका एक खरीदने का तरीका है वो बहुत बदला है। उसमें सबसे बड़ा बदलाव 2 चीजों में आया है। अब कस्टमर, आप ट्रस्ट, क्रेडिबिलिटी, एक ही कॉइन के 2 हिस्से, और डिजाइन खरीद रहे हैं। डिजाइन में वो खुली हवा, सनलाइट, कॉम्पैक्ट जगह, जो अपने आप में हर फैसिलिटी जहां पे अवेलेबल हो, वो उस घर में रहना चाहते हैं। घर खरीदने की चाहत बहुत बढ़ गई है। अब कस्टमर को जहां ब्रांड पे ट्रस्ट आया और डिजाइन समझ में आया, वो उसी टाइम घर खरीद रहा है। क्रिसूमी, ये कृष्णा हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा ऑटो कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर, और सुमितोमो दुनिया का $50 बिलियन की एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी, जिसने 300 रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर किए। तो दोस्तों, इन दोनों की पार्टनरशिप में ये कंपनी बनी है। ऑनलाइन बाइंग एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि हम एक बहुत ही हेल्थ कॉन्शियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, हम चाहते तो यही है कि आप यहाँ आए और जो एक हमने सेल्स का यहाँ पे एक एनवायरनमेंट बनाया हुआ है, उसको अगर आप देखिए, ये सेल्स गैलरी हिंदुस्तान की सबसे सुंदर सेल्स गैलरी डिक्लेयर हो चुकी है। 1.5 करोड़ से लेकर 2.5 करोड़ के मकान के लिए ऐसी सेल्स गैलरी शायद किसी ने नहीं बनाई। हमने इसको एक आपको ऑनलाइन बाइंग एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए हरदेव सिंह जी और हरमीत, जो कि हिंदुस्तान के टॉप फोटोग्राफर्स में जिनका नाम आता है, उनसे ये इमर्सिव फिल्म बनवाई है। ये फिल्म देखने लायक फिल्म है। इस फिल्म को आप हर टूल पे बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं। आप अपने घर के हर कोने को, हर हिस्से को, हर स्पेसिफिकेशन को, हर चीज इस फिल्म में आप देख सकते हैं और घर बैठकर देख सकते हैं। और आप में से बहुत लोगों ने इसको खरीदा है। आप अपने दोस्तों को, अपने रिश्तेदारों को, अपने एसोसिएट्स को ये फिल्म के जरिए आप क्रिसुमी का प्रोडक्ट बेच सकते हैं। ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बेहतरीन सेल्स टूल बनेगा आप सबके लिए। मैं फिर से आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आप लोगों ने इतना बढ़ चढ़कर इस वेबिनार में हिस्सा लिया और इसे कामयाब बनाया। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Mr. Nanda. And with this, it's an absolute pleasure for me to welcome Mr. Hardev Singh and Mr. Harmeet Singh, the brains behind the 360-degree immersive walkthrough of Waterfall Residences. I would request them to kindly walk us through the entire immersive experience now.
Thank you, Sonali, and good evening to everyone. It is my great pleasure to be part of this important webinar today, and I wish to thank the Kusumi management for inviting me. I'll be joined later by Mr. Harmeet Singh, a very talented photographer. In fact, he's the one who has contributed the most to the creation of the presentation we are going to show today. Together, Harmeet and I make a very strong team, backed with over 40 years of experience in creating visual solutions for branding, sales and marketing required by architecture, interiors, luxury hospitality and luxury real estate. Having worked internationally in over 32 countries and creating images for some of the best hospitality chains and real estate, I'm happy to share that our experience of shooting Kusumi Waterfall Residences was absolutely delightful and something that will go down in our memory lane. We have always believed that the quality starts from the client, and I'm not surprised in case of Kusumi, having known chairman Mr. Ashok Kapoor personally for over 40 years. An extremely visionary person, ahead of his time, quality conscious, someone who accepts nothing less than the best. He is a true devotee of Bhagwan Hanuman, believing in ultimate honesty, loyalty, values and commitment. I can imagine it is his vision to collaborate with the very best from Japan, with the phenomenal Sumitomo Group, while understanding and catering to Indian real estate buyers' needs. Kusumi is a unique confluence of India and Japan, thus making it one of the most exciting projects in the real estate market today. We thoroughly enjoyed photographing the impressive architecture and interiors of Waterfall Residences, which is designed by world-renowned architects Nikon Seki. Its unique and functional interiors with much natural light windows, views, finishes, detailing, beautiful aesthetics, and minimalism. I would now request Harmeet to take you through the 360-degree immersive experience, first of its kind in the Indian real estate industry. Thank you, and I wish you all a pleasant evening.
Thank you, Dad, and good evening to you all. I'm grateful to the Kusumi management for giving us this fantastic opportunity to present here today. I want to share a common phrase that one has heard for some time. What is global is local, and what is local is global. In 2021, I would say these words hold even more significance than ever before. Today, the world truly is a global village, and digital technology is completely changing the way we live our lives and conduct our businesses, among many other things. We are honored and humbled to present before you today the Kusumi Waterfall Residences actual sample apartment 360-degree immersive experience. The simple yet profound idea behind it was to create a digital twin of the physical apartment. Together with the Kusumi team and our 4 decades of experience in visual imaging, we have been able to successfully create an online virtual permanent open house 24/7, 365 days of the year. Please allow me to switch to my computer. What you see before you now is a self-running presentation showing a 360-degree view of each room. It automatically navigates from one space to another to show you the entire apartment. However, at any point of time, the viewer can take control just as I am doing now with their mouse, trackpad, or by using finger gestures on a mobile device, transforming the presentation into an interactive experience. The interactive element of this presentation makes it most engaging. Much like how you would visit the sample apartment in real. Based on your interest, you may walk into the living room and then move into the balcony, for instance. I might spend 2 minutes in a particular space and 5 minutes in another. So now you can do just the same within the immersive experience. By clicking on these hotspots or icons, the user can seamlessly move from one space to another and walk through the entire apartment. This presentation is also designed to be very user-friendly and works across all different devices, whether it is a laptop, a desktop computer, a tablet, and of course, any smartphone using the principle of responsive design. It instantly detects what kind of a device the viewer is opening the walkthrough on and gives them the most optimized experience for the same. As they say in the creative world, less is more. The walkthrough user interface has been deliberately kept simple, clutter-free, functional for quick reference to vital information while keeping the eye more on the visual experience. I'm pleased to give you a quick overview of the same. I'll start from the left part of the screen and move to the right. On the bottom left-hand side, you will see a tab named Discover Spaces. It acts as a menu to show you a list of all the different areas of the walkthrough. Using this, the viewer can directly navigate into any room of the apartment. Next to Discover Spaces is Specs. It informs you of some of the essential features and materials used in the area that you are currently viewing. Right beside Specs, you will find the Floor Plan tab. Not only is it an overview of the apartment in the form of a technical drawing, but it is also interactive. The red plus sign tells you which area you're currently in, and by clicking any other plus signs, you can choose to go directly into a different area of your interest. The Location tab provides the viewer a micro and a macro overview of the project location, and the option of browsing the site in Google Maps. Just above where you can read Actual Sample Apartment, there are 3 mini menus. The first one is a social share utility. From here, you can easily share the walkthrough with your friends and family using several options like email, Facebook, Twitter, etc. In fact, in the mobile version of the immersive experience, you can even share using WhatsApp. Next is a film menu, which enables you to watch two informative Kusumi corporate films. The first one features the company's background, and the second is a dedicated film to the Waterfall Residences project. The last menu has the contact information for the sales lounge in case you want to book an appointment to visit. Moving to the right-hand side of the screen, you will notice a few more icons. This one, of course, is to turn on and off the background music. Next to it is an icon that enables the viewer to turn off the automatic tour feature, making the immersive experience 100% interactive. On the extreme right is a full screen icon. I humbly recommend you all to click on this for the presentation's full impact, thereby avoiding any background distractions on your screen. You can also double-click your mouse anywhere within the walkthrough to enter the full screen mode. Of course, on the top of these icons are the dimensions of each space you're currently viewing. We have endeavored to capture the immersive experience in its absolute true form, both creatively and technically. I assure you, you will find the areas to look almost identical if you are to visit the sample apartment physically. So while the desktop and iPad versions are almost identical, I would like to quickly show you how the mobile experience is much the same but has a slightly different user interface to optimize it for a smaller screen and resolution. So based on your preferences, you can either see this in portrait or landscape orientation. The navigation works very similar to the desktop version. By clicking on any of these hotspots or icons, you can seamlessly go in from one space to another. For instance, here I might want to go into the lounge. I look around in the lounge, and it may interest me to go into the kitchen. On the top left-hand corner of the screen, you will notice there is a menu icon. If you click on that, you'll find all the features of the walkthrough will appear. For instance, you may want to see the specs, or for that matter, view the floor plan. Much like the desktop version, here too the floor plan is interactive, and I may want to go directly into the study. So I click on the plus sign of the study. On the bottom right hand corner of the screen, just above the dimensions, there is a compass icon. If you click on that, you will notice that the compass appears on the bottom of the screen. And on the bottom left hand corner, you will find the social share utility. Clicking on that opens up all the different options. And a nice way to be able to share this with friends and family is using the WhatsApp feature, which is the first icon. Upon clicking that, it will directly take you into your WhatsApp and you can send it to whoever you like. Over the years, we have been creating such immersive experiences for the luxury hospitality industry so that potential guests can be confident of their decision to stay in a hotel or a resort while planning a holiday or a work trip. It helps them to be sure of the category of room they want to stay in or choose a banquet venue while planning a conference or even a wedding. On the other hand, I can imagine that investing in a home is not just a crucial decision, but a life-changing decision for you and your family. Not only it is your hard-earned money and huge financial decision, but also an emotional one. The benefit of the Krisumi experience is that even if you have visited the beautiful sales gallery at the site, you can keep revisiting the walkthrough from the comfort of your homes with your loved ones, friends, and family across borders to be sure of the decision you're about to make. If you're already one of the proud homeowners of the Krisumi Waterfall Residences, I'm sure not only will you be excited and happy sharing this with your friends and family, but now, in a way, your future home is in the palm of your hands by the means of the immersive experience. We are confident while your home is being built, this will also help you envision and plan the interiors of your future residence. For the existing and future Krisumi channel partners, I would humbly reiterate what the management has voiced already. At Krisumi, they strongly believe in technology and innovation. They are also a very COVID-sensitive company, and hence their swift adoption of visual imaging innovations like this immersive experience of the sample apartment. I would humbly urge you to share this with your esteemed clients, allowing them the opportunity to experience Krisumi Waterfall Residences from the comfort and safety of their homes, especially during these pandemic times. The interested clients will certainly feel inspired to make the effort of visiting the sales gallery, which is one of the foremost goals to create such a visual tool. There was a time when everyone raised their eyebrows and showed a surprise if someone said soon people will actually shop online, plan and book their holidays online, make financial transactions and do their banking online. There is a massive revolution that is also taking place in the real estate industry as we speak. Time has already come when families are researching and buying homes online. Tools such as this immersive experience is helping investors to do so. Even more significantly, as we pass through these turbulent COVID times, when brands like Krishna Group and Sumitomo Group are involved, it gives the investor the much required assurance of what they see is what they get. We thoroughly enjoyed working with the brilliant Krisumi team and having a chance to learn more from legends in the real estate domain like Mr. Vineet Nanda, who helped conceptualize and architect this immersive walkthrough for Krisumi. I also wish to thank Mr. Akash Khurana and Yamazaki-san for their kind support and guidance. Thank you for your patience, stay safe, and I wish you all a very good evening. Back to you, Sonali.
Thank you so much, Harmeet. I would now like to invite Komal Aluwalia from Krisumi to walk us through the 360-degree immersive film highlighting the USPs of the apartment.
Krisumi Waterfall Residences are beautifully designed homes focused on the main elements of life: sunlight, air, water. Designed by Japan's #1 architect Nikken Seki and construction by our construction partner Tata Projects. As we arrive into aesthetically designed entrance lobby, each lift lobby has 4 high-speed passenger lifts by the make of brand Mitsubishi or equivalent, 2 shuttle lifts which take you from the basement to ground, and 1 service lift for the service staff. As we step into the apartment, the main door is made of veneer wood, which is fireproof for 2 hours for the safety of your loved ones. As we step into the living dining features engineered wooden flooring, which is fireproof, waterproof, and termite proof. The ceiling of the apartment is close to 10 feet, and the air conditioning is VRV by the make of Daikin or equivalent. As we step out on the balcony, the straight line architecture offers long-running balcony with almost 56 feet length. Now what we see is the Krisumi Select feature, where the 3rd bedroom can also be built into a TV lounge, a place to watch a movie with your loved ones. To the right is the best-in-class modular kitchen. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets and come with chimney and hob as a standard feature. The open kitchen features the leather finished granite counter which can be used as a bar, or we also have the option of a closed kitchen. Moving forward is the study room, which again has the Kusumi Select feature to be flexibly built into a storeroom or a servant room with attached washroom. Next to the study is the guest washroom. All the washrooms feature Grohe and Toto fittings or Ecolin brand, and all the washroom themes would be based on the theme you choose from Kusumi Select. Adjacent to this is the kids' bedroom, a lush room attached to the balcony, well lit, well ventilated, and with an attached washroom. Now we move on to the master. The master bedroom is large and spacious and comes with a lavish attached washroom. All the Kusumi homes come with the feature of selecting from two different themes of color, Icky Grey or Zen Beige.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, our walkthrough is now live. All you need to do is log on to www.krisumi.com. If you wish to speak to our sales executive, please feel free to call us up on 7026-214-214. I truly hope that you find your dream home with Krisumi. It's time for me, Sonali Gupta, to sign off. Here's wishing you all a grand and successful year. Good night.